Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Doing another video. So, working on the GTI again. So, I don't know what happened, but the other day, came in here, checked the hood to make sure that everything was working right. And my hood strut broke. So let's open this hood. And as you can see, it doesn't work. So, went down to the junkyard, have a little scar, was popping the clip, and my screwdriver popped off and slit my hand right there. So, little battle scar, but in that we got the new hood prop. So, we're gonna install this. Get a new hood prop in there. Waiting on a new MAF for the car too, mass airflow sensor. I just bought the whole thing, so gonna slap that in, and then hopefully we'll get this thing to this new shop I just started talking to. I got a whole bunch of problems with it, not sure really what's going on, so have somebody more experienced than me, so have them look at it, tell me what's wrong with it, and then we can bring it back, fix it up, get it back on the road. So let's get to doing the hood prop. There it is right here. Again, we're gonna slap that in, so let's get at it. Here we go, guys. So first thing you're going to want to do is open the hood, obviously, and then get something to prop up the hood. So hold on real quick. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab something to prop it and open the hood, and then we'll get the video going again. So there we go. Got a sledgehammer in there just to prop it up. So she's propped up, and then we're going to be replacing this hood prop right here. So that hood strut's bad, so we're just going to slap the new one in. Here we go. Alright guys, so you're going to need a pick like this. And then there's one up here. You got a little latch you gotta pull out. So we're getting in there right now. And then bam, that's out. And then there's one down here as well on the bottom. So you stick that in and then it comes right out. So there's the bad one. As you can see, that is no good no more. You should not be able to do that. It should be pressurized. Like I'll show you the new one. So on the new one, you see that you can't push it in. That's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna do the same on this one. So it snaps in there, and the clip like popped off at the junkyard. So I'm gonna pull the one off this one. So just to get a better view, there's the clip right there. So get your pick in there. As I get it in there. There we go. It's gonna fight you a little bit, so there. Okay, so there's that clip right there. So we're gonna take that clip from the bad one and then put it on the new one. So here it is. Once again, it's going to be a little difficult because you're not supposed to take them off. There we go. So now it's on there, and then bam. That's it. That's all it takes to put the new hood strut in. So new hood struts in on the GTI. Now the hood will hold itself up, and we don't got to worry about it closing on ourselves. So now we can put in the strut mount for the front and get that going too. So on the next video, we're gonna do the hood strut. Well, not the hood strut. The strut mount, not the hood strut. We just did the hood strut. So we're gonna do the strut mount for the front to stiffen up the suspension, stop that body roll. So on the next video, stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching, guys. Little simple video on how to do your hood strut. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, bye.